I was losing my hair at a really early age in college, and it was a sore spot for me. I felt self-conscious, I didn't feel confident, and I couldn't style my hair the way I wanted to style it, so I feel like I couldn't really express who I was as a person. It was pretty much like a runway. It was not flattering after I got out of the shower or when I got out of the pool. If someone had the window down driving, I either pushed it up or moved my head to the side because it would just mess up the hair, how I'd style my hair to hide the hairline. The reason why I chose to fly all the way from New York to Los Angeles to work with AlviArmani is a friend of mine went to AlviArmani and had excellent results, so I felt most comfortable also going with AlviArmani. So when I arrived to the clinic, I was still extremely nervous. I was just this close to getting up and leaving, but I just took the leap of faith, and I'm glad I did. I did my procedure in the winter when it was normal to wear a hat in New York. And so after about a week or two, when it was safe to put a hat on, I put a hat on. So for the most part, no one knew that I had a hair transplant. Everyone who knew me before the hair transplant and then after the transplant just were in awe. They were so happy for me. All my family, all my friends were so happy for me that they saw immediate change in my confidence and how I carried myself and how I styled myself. This hair transplant was the best investment that I've ever made. I feel more confident, I look better, I look younger. I think that people find me more attractive.